Up to news time, union representatives of the National Water Commission, NWC, and management were locked in a meeting over a sick-out staged by employees today. But what caused the industrial action? We have the details from Dwayne Anderson.
Some of the most skilled employees of the National Water Commission, NWC, staged a sick-out on Thursday. The impact of the sick-out, however, remains unclear. TVJ News understands that the workers, who consist of engineers, electricians, and senior staff members of the maintenance department, did not show up for work.
There is some disquiet in the maintenance department, both east and west. So some at Maersk Road and some at our Western Jamaica offices.
Minister Matty Samuda has oversight of the NWC. He revealed that there were some unresolved issues stemming from the recently signed heads of agreement, and a meeting was scheduled to address the situation. It is why the industrial action came as a surprise.
We had a meeting scheduled even before this disquiet for tomorrow with union heads looking at our current climate related to industrial relations within the NWC.
But there have been reports that the industrial action taken by the workers on Thursday was due to the employees' lack of confidence in their president, Mark Barnett.
I can't speak to that. The issues are well documented between the unions and the board, and certainly the ministry is aware of several of those.
Additionally, Dr. Barnett, who continues to urge Jamaicans to pay their water bills on time, has been delinquent. But by how much? As at July 13, 2023, more than $800,000. We asked Minister Samuda for a comment.
I'll have to complete my review of that document before I'm able to comment. Once I'm able to comment, we will update.
Any idea as to how long it will take you before you...
Once I'm ready to comment, I'll make a comment.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.